Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Protect Education Day. Education is a fundamental human right. For children and youth caught up in emergency situations, education not only means the continuity of learning, but it also provides a sense of normalcy. On May 28, 2020, the UN General Assembly adopted resolution establishing 9th September as the International Day to protect education from attack. The observance of this International Day serves as an annual platform to amplify advocacy and action for the protection of education. The resolution designates UNESCO and UNICEF to serve as co-facilitators for the yearly observance of this day. It calls upon stakeholders to keep this issue at the top of the international agenda and duly act to alleviate the plight of students affected by armed conflicts. With the knowledge, skills, and support gained through education, generations survive crisis and lead the world toward a sustainable future. This is particularly true for vulnerable groups including girls, migrants, refugees, and people with disabilities, among others. Now let us talk about UNESCO. UNESCO, or the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, was established in 1945. India is a member of the UNESCO. UNESCO's mission is to contribute to the building of peace, the eradication of poverty, sustainable development. The major objectives of UNESCO are attaining quality education for all and lifelong learning, mobilizing science knowledge and policy for sustainable development, and fostering cultural diversity and a culture of peace.